The escape path lighting illuminates automatically during an emergency. Please follow the crew's instructions and go to the nearest exit. Remove high-heel shoes. Leave all your personal belongings in the aircraft. 緊急情況下，逃生路線嘅照明系統會自動亮起。請遵照機艙服務員嘅指示，脱下高跟鞋，並將所有個人物品留喺飛機上，然後到最近嘅逃生出口。Our crew are pointing out the exits now. When going down the slide, sit up straight, keep your arms in front of you, and look towards the landing point. Once you have exited the aircraft, move away immediately. 機艙服務員正為你指示逃生出口。使用逃生滑梯時，請坐直，將雙手向前伸直，並望向落地嘅位置。離開機艙後，請迅速遠離飛機。Please take a look at your safety card for what to do in the unlikely event of an emergency. 請查閱你嘅安全指示卡，了解緊急事故嘅逃生程序。Now that we're almost ready for takeoff, make sure that your hand baggage and tray table are put away and your seatbelt fastened. 我哋即將起飛，請確保你嘅手提行李同摺枱已經收好，請扣好安全帶。Finally, and just as importantly, enjoy the journey. 最後，祝各位旅途愉快。
大事係根據香港民航處嘅最新要求，為確保航空安全，乘客禁喺航班上使用鋰電池、外置充電器為其他非攜式電子裝置充電。另外，外置充電器都唔可以放置於行李櫃內，如需用作協助，請通知我哋嘅機艙服務員到時工作。The passengers according to the latest requirements by the Hong Kong Civil Aviation Department, passengers are restricted from using different battery powers to charge other portable electronic devices. When we charge power banks to devices, we charge power banks to work out the properties of